Hi, glad you stopped by. In this video, I'll quickly show how I use my manual breast pump in real time. This one's already set up and clean. I keep it assembled, so it's always ready when I need it. I like to press the handle a few times before using it. It helps me warm up my hand and check that everything's working properly. Now I gently place it over my nipple, making sure the flange sits comfortably and forms a light seal. I start pumping slowly. Gentle squeezes help stimulate the flow. It may take a bit for milk to show up, and that's totally fine. If it takes a while, I try relaxing my shoulders or thinking about baby. Sometimes a few deep breaths or a light breast massage really helps. When I'm done, I store the milk safely and rinse all the parts right away. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, comment, or subscribe if you're finding these videos helpful. You're doing amazing.